today coming to you with a guard security lock. This is one of the older ones, if you've seen this before, but here's the key that goes with it. Not too bad at bidding. Go ahead and open it up for you, show you. It's not spring loaded, that's for sure. I mean, you pop it, you got to pull that sucker out. So anyway, let's go ahead and tighten this down and see if we can't pick this sucker open. There we go. And there we go. We got that sucker open. Just pull this out just to make sure and show you that I got her. So anyway, this might come out in the next box I send out, possibly. Just want to show it to you guys. This is a guard security lock. It's an older version. Thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.